Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix missed call notification not showing on iPhone screen after updating to iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to iOS 17 version they are facing an issue of missed call notification not showing on their iPhone screen and they don't know how to fix this. Don't worry guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to simply check your notification settings. Go to your settings, then go to notifications, then go to phone and secure that allow notification is turned on. You can also check the specific notification setting for the phone app to make sure missed calls are set to display alert. After this, and you have to check your do not disturb. Make sure that you do not disturb. Make sure that you do not have do not disturb enable. Simply swipe up from the corner of your screen and see if this moon icon is unable or disable. If it's unable, then simply try disabling it. After disabling it, and then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, simply you have to go to your settings, then go to general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, or tap on reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and try to fix your issue. If the issue persists, then you have to do is reset your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix various issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, then go to general, then go to shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check your call history. Go to your phone app, simply go to your phone app, then tap on reset. You can then tap on reset. Make sure that the missed calls are showing up in the call history. If not, it could be an issue with call logging. After trying this all method and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to contact your Apple support. If the if none of the solution work, it is advisable to contact Apple support for more personalized assistance. There could be a deeper issue that requires expert attention. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.